Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. In this one we'll be doing a 1.15.2 Minecraft server tutorial. This will be an update on my old, really terrible tutorial that I had on my channel. So let's get straight into it. So first what you're gonna do is go to MC versions and click on the first link, MC versions, and you want to go to 1.15.2, click download, and you want to do download server.jar. It's going to download your server. Now at this point we can minimize. You can keep it, it's safe. I've used this a lot. And you want to right click and create a new folder and just name it like server. Oh, I already have one that's named server. Well, I'm going to name it server 2. There you go. And you want to drag your server jar into there. Now you're just going to want to name this server.jar, and you're going to click and create a new text document. Open the new text document, and you want to take this out of the description, this code, and name it what your file is named. Mine is server, and I'm doing 4 gigabytes. You can do less or more. The more the better, but don't like brick your computer. Just kidding, that's not gonna happen. But yeah, don't like try to run like 27,000 gigabytes of RAM. So you want to do file save as, and you want to do start.bat in the file name, and then change save as type to all files. Click save. Then you can delete this text document, and you can go and double click on your start.bat. And it'll be like eula.txt has to be agreed to before you can play the server. So double click on eula.txt. eula equals false to eula equals true. Save. Double click it again. And this time the server will be loading up a little bit more. There we go, it's loading the world, and it's loading the advancements and the server properties and everything cool and everything amazing, and it's awesome, and it's like really good, and it's almost done. At this point you can join your server. You want to put for your server IP right here, you want to put your IPv4 address, which you can find by going into CMD and ipconfig, and then take your IPv4 address and paste it into there. Now I'm going to do that, and I'm going to go into Minecraft. Now if you want someone to see that, you have to restart the server for it to take effect. If you want someone to join your server that's not in your house, because people that live in your house can use your IPv4 address, then you'll have to go and port forward and also find your public IP. You can just find your public IP by typing in what's my IP in Google, and it'll bring it up to you. And so let's change to the latest release, which is 1.15.2. Click play. I'm gonna click multiplayer, then direct connect just to see if it's on. And you want to do your server address. Click join server, and it starts joining your world, and here we go. Might take a second to load in because of all of the chunks. There we go. And you know it's 1.15 because there's a bee right here. Look at that. Buzzy bee. But yeah, so that's the way how you get to get a 1.15.2 server for Minecraft. It's pretty easy, pretty fun, and if you guys want a tutorial on how to do an ngrok 1.15.2 server, tell me, because ngrok is a way to get around port forwarding. Port forwarding sometimes is a little confusing. And wait, what the heck? There's a turtle here, but it's a little pool of water. That's hilarious. This is actually a really cool seed. But anyways, yeah, that's how you get 1.15.2 Minecraft tutorial. And one more little tip for you. If you want to do /game mode, if I can spell it right, /game mode creative, if you want to like check out the world, and it's like unknown command server OP, and then your username. Mine's Poodum. And now, if I go to /game mode, I can do /game mode creative because it made me a server operator, so I have the ability to like use commands in the server. Before, you can't use commands. And let's blow this up to see it get blown up because it's cool. Nice. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for how to make the server. If you want to see more on how to make servers, tell me in the comments below. And this was just a short little tutorial.